Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I would like to introduce about myself. My name is Asma Shehzad and my roll number is 2400614009 from MS Chemistry. Today the topic of my presentation is intelligent manufacturing in aerospace industry. First of all, I discuss about introduction of intelligent manufacturing. What is intelligent manufacturing? Intelligent manufacturing is the utilization of real-time data analysis, artificial intelligence, and machine learning in the manufacturing process to accomplish the above optimizations. Now we discuss what is aerospace manufacturing technology. Aerospace manufacturing technology programs include sequences of courses designed to produce an aerospace technician with multiple skill sets and a well-rounded understanding of the aerospace industry. Student can master the high demand skills of mechanical assembly, composite fabrication, etc. Next, processes and technologies in aerospace. Industrial manufacturing in the aerospace industry involves the production of aircraft, spacecraft, and missiles, as well as components and equipments for these vehicles. Now we discuss some key processes and technologies used in the aerospace manufacturing include design and engineering, material selection, manufacturing techniques, quality control and inspection, production processes, aerospace specific processes, supply chain management, certification and regulatory compliance. What is design and engineering? Design and engineering include computer aided design, finite element analysis, and computational fluid dynamics. Next one is material selection. It involves high strength, lightweight materials like titanium, composites, for example, carbon fiber reinforced polymers, and advanced alloys. Manufacturing techniques. It involves machining, for example, CNC machining, 3D printing, additive manufacturing, and costing. Next one is that quality control and inspection. It involves non-destructive testing such as X-ray radiography, ultrasonic testing, and visual inspection. Number 5 is that production processes. It involves welding, for example, friction stir welding, brazing, bonding, painting, and coating. Next one is that aerospace specific processes. Vacuum bagging, autoclave curing, honeycomb core manufacturing. Supply chain management involves managing complex global supply chains to ensure timely delivery of components and materials. Certification and regulatory compliance is the last key process in aerospace manufacturing include meeting strict industry standards and regulations such as those set by the Federal Aviation Administration and the European Aviation Safety Agency. Next one is that key players in the aerospace industry. Some of the key players in the aerospace industry include Airbus, Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, United Technologies Corporation, General Dynamics, Rockwell Collins, Textron Systems. These companies produce a range of products including commercial aircraft, military aircraft, spacecraft, satellites, and missile systems. Intelligent manufacturing applications and advanced technologies in the aerospace industry. Intelligent manufacturing applications and advanced technologies play a crucial role in ensuring the sustainability of the aerospace sector by enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and improving overall performance. These technologies are vital in addressing the complex challenges faced by the aerospace industry, such as stringent regulatory requirements, cost pressures, and the need for precision and reliability. By integrating accounting models with supply chain management strategies, organizations can optimize operations, improve financial transparency, and foster collaboration among stakeholders. What is the key benefits of the intelligent manufacturing applications and advanced technologies in the aerospace industry? It includes optimizing inventory management, cost saving opportunities, continuous improvement, enhanced communication and collaboration, mitigating risks. Number one is that optimizing inventory management. By leveraging technologies like real time monitoring systems and data analytics, companies can optimize inventory levels, reduce waste, and enhance supply chain efficiency. Second one is that cost saving opportunities. Advanced technologies enable organizations to identify cost saving opportunities throughout the supply chain, leading to improved financial performance. Third one is that continuous improvement. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement supported by data driven decision making, companies can adapt more effectively to market dynamics and drive innovation within the sector. Enhanced communication and collaboration is the next point. It involves integration of technologies, facilitates better coordination between finance and operation teams, improving communication, aligning objectives, and ultimately enhancing organizational performance. Mitigating risks. What are mitigating risks? These are intelligent manufacturing applications. Help in mitigating risks associated with the supply chain disruptions by enabling real time monitoring of financial performance metrics and facilitating timely interventions and adjustments to achieve strategic goals. In summary, integration of intelligent manufacturing applications and advanced technologies with accounting models in aerospace industry offers a strategic approach to enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and ensuring sustainability. This integrating approach not only optimizes operations but also fosters innovation, cost effectiveness, and competitiveness within the aerospace sector. Thank you.